Thank you very much for making IDQ Value Adder one of the trusted brands in the field of communication skills and personality development. Hi guys, I'm Subhash Kartik. On behalf of IDQ Value Adder Academy, I just want to say thank you because whatever we have achieved till date, it is just due to you. Friends, there's an important announcement. Yes, please listen to us because this announcement is very much important. Today, we are launching our app. Yes, mobile app. So now if you want, you can download our app that is IDQ Value Adder. So what you have to do, first of all, you go to your Play Store. In the Play Store, you search IDQ Value Adder. Okay, then press, you will see our logo, IDQ Value Adder. Press on that, install it. Okay, so once you install it, you open it. See, please listen to me first, step by step. I'm telling you everything. Okay, because if you miss out, there's a very important announcement. So once you install it, you open the app. When you open, you will be asked one phone number. So just give your phone number. Once you give your phone number, you will be getting OTP. And once you give the OTP, you are there inside our app. Okay, guys, why are we talking about this? We are launching, of course, we are already there, but this time, as we are launching this application IDQ Value Adder, so you can download from Google Play Store. But what is the special thing about it? The special thing is we have recently launched an amazing program. You can see this public speaking bootcamp. Public speaking bootcamp. And you know, if you go to our app, you will see the public speaking bootcamp. The cost is 2,000 rupees, but we are giving this an offer price that is 499. Yes, this is an offer price just for 2 days. Yes, just for 2 days. So please go to IDQ Value Adder app and purchase this at the cost of 499. The original cost is 2,000, but you will be getting it only in 499. But before you go, there is one more announcement. Please listen to me. Please, I'll not take more than 1 minute. This is a very important announcement. I'll tell you this. Once you install it, you again go to Google Play Store and see there is a rate this app. If you rate our app, you give our app 5 star. And if you write some of your positive feedback regarding IDQ Value Adder, then you please write some of the positive feedback of yours. Guys, if you have never felt IDQ as a positive platform, then don't do that. Then don't go for this application. But if you have really helped by our services, by our communication platforms, then please, you go to this app, rate our institute, rate our app, a 5-star app, give your valuable feedback. And yes, after you give your feedback, you take a screenshot of that feedback and you send it to our number. You know our number? Our number is 824-080-2900. You send it to this. You can send it through WhatsApp. And once you send it with your name and your mobile number, please, you will send your screenshot to this number with your name and number. We will give you a coupon code. And with that coupon code, you will get an additional offer price of, you will get the offer of 400 rupees. So ultimately, you are getting this public speaking bootcamp, 10 days bootcamp, 10 video lessons are there, and you are ultimately paying only 999. This is only for 2 days. So please go right now, do this, and experience an amazing training on public speaking. Guys, public speaking is an amazing skill. If you have it, nobody can stop you to grow in your life. Thank you, guys. Subhash Kartik is signing off. Please download our app, rate our app, and purchase this public speaking bootcamp in just 99 rupees. Go ahead.